Ishak, am I audible?
Yes,
Okay. Good evening. Good evening, Wasim. Azra. Good evening, Azra.
Good evening.
Is everything fine with you?
Yes,
Okay. So, where were you yesterday? Any guest? You had any guest yesterday?
yes.
Oh. Today I am at the proper time,
Mhm.
8 p.m. sharply, but no one is here.
अब
but
8
आज
बज के
स्टूडेंट नहीं आए ना टाइम पे।
Hmm. Actually, yesterday I promised that I will come on time tomorrow. Okay, without wasting our time, we are going forward. Shweta has come now. Good evening, Shweta.
Good evening, Ashia. Good evening, everyone.
गुड इवनिंग।
आज थोड़ा देर हो गया मुझे ज्वाइन करने में।
So, is it fine today? I'm on time. Are you all happy with it?
हाँ बिल्कुल।
So, you all know what's our planner for today? What's our routine or planner for today? Anybody, please tell me. It's our day 3. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. So it's your day 3. Day 1, reading. Day 2, listening. Day 3, could you please
Vocabulary.
vocabulary? Okay, and it is going to be a very interesting day. Vocabulary. Okay, so I am sharing my screen. Please confirm me once. Is it clearly visible?
Yes, visual.
थोड़ा ज़ूम।
We need to zoom a bit.
यस,
Now is it
फाइन।
okay?
यस,
All right. Every time I'm facing problem in my throat and I have to just turn off the mic. Every time I'm facing the throat problem. Okay, let's get started now. So here is the vocabulary. The total vocabulary is 10. Okay, there are 10 vocabularies. Number 1, clinch, maiden, exult, deadlock, era, pilgrim, collision, jittery, and salvage, and the last one is mull. Okay, so here is the important task to understand the meaning of the vocabularies. Okay, because our today is our dedicated class for the vocabularies, so you have to get the proper meaning of vocabularies. When you will get the meaning of the vocabularies, then you will be able to make any story. ओके, ये जो 10 वोकेबलरीज आपके सामने हैं, इनमें से आपको कोई भी मिनिमम मिनिमम आप 5 वोकेबलरी चूज करके कोई भी एक कहानी बनाओगे इमेजिन करके, और ये बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग होगा आपको। मतलब देयर इज नो एनी बाउंड्री लाइन, कोई बाउंडेशन नहीं है। जो सोच सकते हो, जो बना सकते हो बनाओ, है ना। तो मिनिमम आप 5 वोकेबलरी लो एंड मैक्सिमम पूरे 10 के 10 ले सकते हो। if you are able to use all the vocabulary in your story, it's excellent. Use all the vocabulary. But if you are unable to use all that, then at least use minimum 5 vocabulary to make your story. Okay, so for that
हिंदी
purpose,
में बनानी है।
Yes, Ishaq?
हिंदी में बनानी है या इंग्लिश में?
Mm, of course it is English class, तो English में ही बनानी है. But at first time, if you are facing lots and lots of problem, then you can easily follow Hindi. No any problem. Okay. So at first our important task is to get the meaning of the vocabulary. हमें जो मीनिंग है वो बहुत ही अच्छे से समझ लेना होगा, तभी तो हम स्टोरीज बना पाएंगे. ओके. So first one is, could you please tell me first one is, please pronounce the first vocabulary.
Clinch.
Yeah, it's clinch. Now it's fine. There is also some diagram through which you can understand the meaning of it. So first vocabulary is clinch. CLINCH, clinch. Now, clinch is a verb. Clinch is a verb. There is clearly mentioned that clinch is a verb. You can see the diagram where there is a diagram of handshake. Okay, handshaking. Now, what is the meaning of clinch? You can see clearly here. पक्का करना, डील या जीत कंफर्म कर लेना. Okay. The synonyms are secure, settle, finalize. These are the synonyms. Anyone have any idea about synonym? Anyone can please tell me if you know synonyms?
मिलते जुलते अल्फाज.
मिलते जुलते अल्फाज. Yeah. Means
Same
clinch.
meaning same पर word change हो जाता है.
Yeah, the meaning will be same, but the word will be changed. Clinch,
Changed.
secure, settle, finalize. Meanings will be same. As per example, the sentence is the team clinched the World Cup in 2019. Okay, so there was a team. The team may be from any sports, football, cricket, basketball, any kind of team that clinched the World Cup in 2019. मतलब कि कोई भी स्पोर्ट से रिलेटेड अगर कोई टीम है और उसने अगर कोई जीत हासिल कर ली है, कहीं पर वो जीत गए हैं, तो वहां के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? क्लिंच. ठीक है. देखो, हियर इज अ मिनिमम डिफरेंस बिटवीन क्लिंच एंड विन. क्लिंच एंड विन पे यहाँ पर एक डिफरेंस भी है. विन आप लोग सब जानते हो. यू ऑल नो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ WIN, विन. यू ऑल नो दैट.
Yes.
I think you all have studied about hooray, we have won the match, in the example of exclamatory sentences. Like hooray,
Yes.
we have won the match. So many times you have studied about this example. So win means आप जीत गए हो. ओके, ऑलरेडी जीत चुके हो, एंड जीतने के बाद आप खुशी मना रहे हो. वी हैव won the match, we have won the sports. But clinch is a bit different. Clinch, suppose any sports is going on and स्पोर्ट्स के खत्म होने से पहले ही आपको रियलाइज हो गया कि जीत तो हमारी ही होने वाली है. ठीक है. ये वाला जो फील होता है ना हमारे अंदर से, मतलब स्पोर्ट्स अभी एंड नहीं हुआ है. द स्पोर्ट्स इज गोइंग ऑन कंटिन्यूअसली, बट आपको पूरे तौर पे ये रियलाइज हो जाना, यू आर फीलिंग कंप्लीटली दैट वी आर गोइंग टू विन. ओके, तो उसे हम कहते हैं
मतलब
क्लिंच.
पहले प्रेडिक्ट कर देना जीत को.
हाँ, और वो प्रिडिक्शन आपका एकदम फाइनल होना चाहिए. लाइक हियर इज द सिनोनिम्स: फाइनलाइज, सिक्योर, फाइनलाइज. वो आपका फाइनलाइज होना चाहिए, कोई फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट नहीं. ठीक है. वो प्रिडिक्शन क्या होना चाहिए? आपका फाइनल होना चाहिए. दैट्स कॉल्ड क्लिंच. Okay, so there is a bit
Okay.
difference between win and clinch. WIN, win means you have won the match, you have won the sport. But clinch, that you are making a prediction that you are gonna to win the match. That's called clinch. Okay, and please keep it in your mind that the word clinch we will use in the context of sports. जब भी आप किसी स्पोर्ट्स के बारे में बात कर रहे हो देन आप यूज करते हो क्या, क्लिंच। ठीक है, स्पोर्ट्स वगैरह में अगर आप जीत रहे हो, स्पोर्ट्स चल रहा है वहां पर और वहां पर जीतने या हार की बात हो रही, देन वी विल यूज क्लिंच। देयर आर ऑल्सो लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ यूजेस ऑफ क्लिंच। आई एम शोइंग यू, जस्ट अ मिनट। here here are some diagrams with examples. You can see that sports के context में here we have mentioned in very easy language that will be very useful and easy to understand for you, like जब team या player final victory जीत लेते हैं, like India clinched the match in the last over. Okay, and in the same way there are lots and lots of uses of clinch. Is it visible to all of you?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay, but I'm not going to explain the all five because there are so many vocabularies. If I'm going to explain all the five, then the timing will be 10 p.m. Okay, so I will provide the PDF and you can read it at your free time. Okay, but the most important thing is कि वेयर वी हैव टू यूज क्लिंच। आप क्लिंच का यूज कहां पर करोगे, ये जो वर्ड है CLINCH क्लिंच, ये वर्ड का यूज कहां पर करोगे, इन विच कंटेक्स्ट, कौन से कंटेक्स्ट में यूज करोगे। सो प्लीज कीप इट इन योर माइंड एट द टाइम ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स। मेनली हम इसे या मोस्टली हम इसे कहां पर यूज करते हैं, स्पोर्ट्स के कंटेक्स्ट में, ये देखो। ओके, बाकी ये सारे भी है लाइक जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी के लिए, इलेक्शन पोजीशन के लिए, डील या एग्रीमेंट के लिए एंड पर्सनल अचीवमेंट के लिए। ओके, पूरा का पूरा कंटेक्स्ट आपको यही मिलेगा कि सपोज अगर जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी है, इट मीन्स यू हैव गोन टू एनी इंटरव्यू एंड देन यू हैव पास द इंटरव्यू, इट मीन्स यू हैव क्लिंच्ड द इंटरव्यू। ओके, एंड इलेक्शन पोजीशन के लिए भी वही होगा, डील या एग्रीमेंट, इलेक्शन पोजीशन हैज बीन रिपीटेड 2 times. So mostly you have to keep in your mind कि clinch means any victory that you have already made. आपने already वो जीत जो है वो हासिल कर ली है, it means वो clinch है। आपको उसके बारे में पता चल चुका है कि ये चीज तो मेरा ही होने वाला है। ओके, और ये हम कहां पर यूज करेंगे, कौन से कॉन्टेक्स्ट में, स्पोर्ट्स के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में। ओके, इज इट क्लियर?
Yes.
Okay, and what is the parts of speech of clinch? Parts of speech, actually parts of speech. What is parts of speech? Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. These all are called parts of speech. So, can you please tell me clinch is which parts of speech? Here is clearly written. You can see that.
Verb.
Verb.
Word.
And tomorrow is our grammar class. So tomorrow we will read about parts of speech. I know it can be basic for you. I know that maybe you all know a little bit about parts of speech and more, you know, a lot about parts of speech. But um as it is the first class, so I thought we should start from parts of speech. So tomorrow will be the class of grammar, and in grammar section we will study about parts of speech, means little bit glimpses of noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, these all. Okay, uh, clinch is verb. Now the next word is maiden. Maiden, maiden. Is it clearly visible? I think the font size are getting smaller for all of you. Please let me know ये sentences are clearly visible to you or not.
यस
यस
क्लियर है.
क्लियर क्लियर।
Okay,
Clear है.
that's fine. Okay, now second vocabulary is very easy and it is very easy to use. You all can use this vocabulary in your daily life. Maiden, maiden. Maiden means pehli bar, like first time. If something happened in your life first time, that's called maiden. You can see the synonyms: first, initial, primary. Okay, like here is the example. I went on my maiden voyage in 2000. I went on my maiden voyage in 2000. Anybody know the meaning of voyage? Voyage?
समुद्री यात्रा
Yeah,
बोलते
samudri
हैं
yatra.
voyage.
Okay. Yeah, I went on my maiden voyage in 2000. Here is someone telling that in 2000 it was his or her first voyage. मतलब कि 2000 में उसने अपना पहला voyage जो समुद्री यात्रा था वो उसने किया था. So it is very easy. There is nothing to explain more and more. Now the next, exult. EXULT, exult. Exult. Exult is verb. Exult is also very easy to use, very easy vocabulary, and you all can use in your day to day life. Like we say, I'm very happy, I'm delightful. So, exult is the same. Exult means बहुत ज़्यादा खुश होना, बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हो गए हो आप, that's called exult. Here is the synonyms: rejoice, delight, celebrate. The example is, when I saw my result, I exulted with joy. When I saw my result, I exulted with joy. Ishaq, please translate this sentence. When I saw my result, I exulted with joy. What are you getting with this sentence? What is the meaning of this sentence?
तो मतलब कि आज उसका रिजल्ट बहुत अच्छा आया, वो देख के खुश है अपनी परफॉर्मेंस।
Okay. When, WHEN, when means जब. When I saw my result, जब मैंने अपना रिजल्ट देखा, I exulted with joy. मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई. Now the next, deadlock. Deadlock. Okay. जब कोई solution ना निकले. Here is the synonyms: stalemate, impasse. Example with sentence: the meeting reached a deadlock and ended abruptly. Deadlock is a bit difficult, maybe a bit difficult. By the way, I'm trying the best to make you understand. Deadlock means you are trying to complete something, but you are unable to do that. Suppose,
डेडलॉक मतलब जैसे दो पार्टियों के दरमियान में हो जाता है पॉलिटिक्स में, तो कहते हैं डेडलॉक चल रहा है।
we can say, yeah, nice. From this statement, I can give you the best example. Just like this time, we all know SIR is going on in our state, and I think all the state. SIR, you all know that?
यस, जैसे मतलब पॉलिटिक्स में डेडलॉक चलते रहते हैं पार्टीज वगैरह की, वैसे ही है ये डेडलॉक।
Azra and Shweta, please respond.
Yes.
So
Yes,
SIR
I
is
know.
going on. And if you have heard about it, so Mamta Banerjee is right now, uh, just a minute. Yeah, she is taking the case against SIR. SIR के अगेंस्ट में क्या है, वो हाई कोर्ट में वो केस लड़ रही है. अब सपोज करो कि अगर इसका कोई रिजल्ट नहीं निकलता है, ठीक है, शी इज ट्राइंग टू गो अगेंस्ट द SIR, जो भी हो रहा है उसके लिए. अब अगर कोई रिजल्ट नहीं निकलता है तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, डेडलॉक हो जाएगा. ठीक. इफ यू आर ट्राइंग टू डू समथिंग बट देर इज नो रिजल्ट यू आर गेटिंग, दैट कंडीशन इज कॉल्ड डेडलॉक. If I would give you an example of interview, like you are going to face any interview for any job, any kind of job, you gave your interview but you are not selected there. You tried your best, you went to the office, You give your interview, but you are not selected. That's called deadlock. Okay. Now, if there is an official meeting in a company, there is going on an official meeting, कोई official meeting हो रही है और वहाँ पर जो employees हैं, employees suppose करो अपनी salary के लिए वो strike पे बैठे हैं and they are demanding to raise the सैलरी, कि वो बोल रहे हैं कि नहीं हमारा सैलरी जो है वो थोड़ा हाइक होना चाहिए, थोड़ा ऊपर होना चाहिए। ओके, बट उनकी जो मांग है वो पूरी नहीं की जा रही है। ठीक, तो यहाँ पर भी क्या हुआ कि उन लोगों ने मतलब स्ट्राइक किया, इतने दिन तक उन लोगों ने बहुत कुछ किया, डिमांड किया, बट उनका जो मांग है वो पूरा नहीं हुआ, टोटली डिनाइड। तो वहां पर क्या हो जाएगा, ये डेडलॉक, डेडलॉक सिचुएशन। ठीक है, द मीनिंग इज जब कोई सोल्यूशन ना निकले। ठीक है, एनी डाउट सो फार?
No, I think very easy.
ओके, श्वेता, आजरा?
No, it's clear.
Oh no.
ऑल राइट। Deadlock. Now it's era. Era is also easy and you can also use it in your day to day life. एक खास समय के दौर, एज, epoch, period, मतलब period of time. Okay, it's age, any time. The First World War marked a new era in history. Era is mainly the period of time. Okay, there is nothing different in this. Next is pilgrim. Have you heard the word before? Pilgrim, have you heard it before? Anyone?
Yes.
Yes. Do you have any idea about it? There are lots and lots of mosquitoes around me. Pilgrim.
मतलब हम जब कोई यात्रा करते हैं जो हमारे रिलीजन से रिलेटेड हो तो
Yes,
शायद इसी
yes,
को
yes.
बोलते हैं pilgrim.
Yes, yes, yes. A traveling related to religious purpose. Okay. या धार्मिक यात्रा पर जाने वाले व्यक्ति, टोटली इन हिंदी। ठीक है, धार्मिक यात्रा मतलब हमारे धर्म से रिलेटेड जो होता है, उस पे जो धर्म से रिलेटेड जो लोग होते हैं और वो जब किसी सफर पे जाते हैं, यात्रा पे जाते हैं, दैट्स कॉल्ड पिलग्रिम। ठीक है,
Pilgrim.
टिपिकल उर्दू में अगर बोलूँ तो वो क्या होगा, कारवां, कारवां कहेंगे ना उसे। आजरा?
हाँ, तबलीग में जाते हैं हमारे मुस्लिम जो जाते हैं।
हाँ हाँ, ओके, इससे मुझे
Proper
याद आया, एक दिखाती हूँ।
complete.
एक मिनट, जस्ट अ मिनट। Like here is, you can see the through the images you can understand the meaning. Tours to religious places has written, जब लोग महत्वपूर्ण धार्मिक स्थानों पर अपनी श्रद्धा कहने जाएं, thousands of pilgrims visit the कुंभ। Okay, yeah, it is the best example. Have you heard about the Kumbh Mela?
Yes.
Yeah, at the time of Kumbh Mela, there are huge number of person going to the for religious purpose. That's called pilgrims. Okay. Actually, I will share all this as a PDF. You all can read it. Okay. And you all will get lots and lots of ideas, and it will be very easy to understand through the images. Now, there is collision. I have to zoom it. Now it's okay. Collision, COALITION, collision. Collision, साथ मिलकर काम करना. Collision is actually a political word. When two different party comes together to make a single party, that's called collision. I think you all have a little bit idea about it. Okay. So collision is mainly a political word. साथ मिलकर काम करना. The synonyms are alliance, union, partnership. Here's the example. The two parties formed a coalition government. जब दो डिफरेंट पार्टी, पॉलिटिकल पार्टी जो होती है दो डिफरेंट, वो अगर आपस में मिलकर कोई एक पार्टी बनाती है, दैट्स कॉल्ड कॉलिजन पार्टी. इशाक.
जो अनहास करते हैं, मतलब एक दूसरे के साथ मिल जाते हैं वो.
यस. ओके. Now the word is G-tree. G-tree is also very easy word and you all can add in your day-to-day life. Okay. And I think every day and all the time you all face this situation, G-tree. That's called nervous या घबराया हुआ. Okay. Nervous, anxious, tense. Students feel jittery before exam. Means students always feel jittery before exam. Suppose you have an exam beforehand and you are going to take your exam, then at the time you will feel jittery, means nervous. अगर एग्जाम देने जा रहे हो तो आपको थोड़ा नर्वस तो लगेगा, एंशियस होगा ही, तो दैट्स कॉल्ड जिटरी. लाइक हम कहते हैं ना कि बहुत ज्यादा एंजाइटी हो रही है, आई एम वेरी एंशियस because of my exam, I'm going to take my exam, that's why I'm very anxious. तो वो anxious क्या होता है यहाँ पर? Jittery. You can use jittery. Okay. The next one is salvage. 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 बचा लेना या recover करना. We use this word. Let me show the images. Salvage. Yeah. There is only one context where we use the word salvage. मतलब एक आपका प्रॉपर एक कॉन्टेक्स्ट है जहां पर हम ये सैल्वेज जो वर्ड है इसका यूज सबसे ज्यादा करते हैं. दैट इज फॉर शीप. ओके. अगर शीप है वो किसी भी रीजन से अगर टूट जाता है और वो डूबने लगता है, तो उस डूबते हुए शीप को जब आप रेस्क्यू करने जाते हो, बचाने जाते हो, दैट्स कॉल्ड सैल्वेज. Okay, like here is the example. Drivers tried to salvage what they could from the sunken ship. Drivers, but sorry, I'm so sorry. Divers. Here is divers, not drivers. Divers tried to salvage what they could from the sunken ship. मतलब कि डाइवर्स समझ रहे हो आप लोग, जो पानी में डूबते हैं जान बचाने के लिए. ठीक है. तो डाइवर्स ट्राई टू सैल्वेज, डाइवर्स ने ट्राई किया क्या करने का? सैल्वेज, रेस्क्यू करने का, बचाने का. लाइक सपोज एक शिप है, अगर वो डूब रहा है तो उसमें बहुत सारे लोग होंगे, बहुत सारी सामान होंगी, चीजें होंगी लोगों की, तो उसे बचाने के लिए जो डाइवर्स थे वो कोशिश कर रहे थे, तो उसे बचाने के लिए जो प्रॉपर एक वर्ड यूज होता है ना, दैट्स कॉल्ड सैल्वेज. ओके. डाइवर्स ट्राइड टू सैल्वेज what they could from the sunken ship. संकन मीन्स मतलब डूबता हुआ शिप. डूबते हुए शिप से जो भी वो बचा सकता था उसने कोशिश की बचाने की. ठीक है. संकन जो है वो आप लोग थोड़ा ध्यान दोगे. SIN के सिंक मीन्स डूबना, एंड सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ सिंक इज सैंक, एंड थर्ड फॉर्म इज संकन. तो संकन शिप. Okay, we are not going in so much detail. इतना डिटेल में भी नहीं जाना है. There are our grammar class. In our grammar class, we will go lots of and detail. बहुत डिटेल में अपनी ग्रामर क्लास में जाएंगे, अभी रहने देते हैं उसे. ये सैल्वेज हो गया. एंड लास्ट वन इज मल. मल इज ऑल्सो वेरी इजी. मल मीन्स इफ यू आर थिंकिंग समथिंग डीपली, बहुत ही डीपली से गहराई से कुछ सोच रहे हो, दैट्स कॉल्ड योर मल. Okay, like the government is mulling a new education policy. Like जो हमारा गवर्नमेंट है वो इस बारे में अगर सोच रहा है कि न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी कैसे लाया जाए, कैसे हमारे एजुकेशन सिस्टम को चेंज किया जाए, दैट्स कॉल्ड मलिंग. लाइक वी से कि आई एम थिंकिंग, दैट्स कॉल्ड मलिंग. So in place of think, you can also use mulling. So आप लोग एक काम जरूर करोगे, इसमें से जो जो आप लोगों को लगेगा कि you are able to use in your daily life, तो आप लोग ट्राई करना कि आप उसे यूज करो. Like earlier we were aware with the word think. हमें पहले से बहुत अच्छे से पता था कि थिंक का मतलब क्या होता है. नाउ वी नो द वर्ड मल, MULL, मल. So we will
हम्म।
try to use the word मल in place of think. ऐसे करते करते आपका वोकेबलरी जो है वो इनहेंस होता जाएगा और
अच्छा,
इम्प्रूव
मेरा एक
होता
क्वेश्चन है
जाएगा.
आपसे।
यस.
आपने गवर्नमेंट की एग्जांपल दी, मतलब गवर्नमेंट अगर सोचे तो उसको ये मल्स बोलेंगे, अगर हम खुद कोई सोचें काम तो उसको भी यही बोलेंगे, या फिर
श्योर.
छोटे छोटे बोलेंगे?
Any kind of thinking related to person, related to government, related to anyone, that's called mal. Okay.
ओके ओके, मैंने सोचा शायद ये गवर्नमेंट के लिए यूज होगा।
No, 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 there is nothing about that. Not only for government, for everybody. Okay, any common person is thinking about something, that's called mal. So I can understand these all lecture could be very boring for all of you. ये काफी बोरिंग रहा होगा, इतना लंबा सा बस बैठ के जस्ट उसको समझना एंड सोचना. एम आई राइट?
नहीं नहीं, ये बोरिंग
नहीं,
नहीं था,
ऐसा
काफी
कुछ नहीं, अच्छा था।
लेट मी थिंक अबाउट इट. सो जस्ट अ मिनट. So, Shweta, tell me, have you ever participated in any kind of competition?
या नीट वगैरह मैंने दिया था, नीट, BSc नर्सिंग।
Oh, okay, 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 okay. So, um, have you any idea if you had cleansed about your like passing passing marks?
नहीं, ऐसा तो स्कूल टाइम ही में ही लगा था। उसके बाद कंपटीशन में आने के बाद कभी ऐसा फील नहीं हुआ।
Okay. Azra, please let me know. Have you ever participated in any competition? Any kind of competition?
No.
Uh, okay. Ishaq, please let me know. Have you ever participated in any kind of competition?
यस, हमारा यहाँ पे मेला हुआ था, वहाँ पे था सिंगिंग कंपटीशन, तो मैंने लिया था हिस्सा।
Very nice.
हाँ।
So, uh, had you cleansed about that you are gonna to win the competition?
यस, वो मुझे पूरा यकीन था कि मैं ही जीतूंगा, और मैं ही जीता।
Really?
हाँ।
Okay. So you clinched the competition. Okay.
यस।
You clinched the competition. Very nice. And okay, Shweta, would you please like to tell me any school memory related to you?
मेडन के ऊपर बताना है?
मेडन के ऊपर नहीं.
फर्स्ट, कोई
रिलेटेड
फर्स्ट
टू
एक्सपीरियंस?
related to exult. Related to exult
अच्छा,
means yeah. Any school experience that made you exult so much?
मतलब मैं कभी भी कैमरा के सामने नहीं आती हूँ, मतलब मुझे पसंद नहीं है वीडियो बनाना ऐसा वगैरह। बट स्कूल टाइम में जब 12th का बोर्ड आने वाला था, उससे पहले हमारे स्कूल में एक ड्रामा कंपटीशन हुआ था। तो
Hmm.
मैम ने सेलेक्ट किया था मुझे, एंड मुझे बिल्कुल भी एक्टिंग नहीं आती है।
Hmm.
तो मैंने मना कर दिया था उनको कि मुझसे नहीं होगा। फिर उन्होंने बहुत जोर दिया, कहा कि नहीं तुम कर लोगी। तो फिर मैंने किया। अ,
Hmm.
मुंशी प्रेमचंद्र जी का एक नाटक था निमंत्रण, उसके ऊपर।
Okay. Wow.
एंड
Hmm.
उसके बाद सभी ने बहुत ज़्यादा तारीफ की। जब वो पूरा ड्रामा खत्म हो गया, तो जो प्रिंसिपल थे उन्होंने पर्सनली मेरा नंबर लिया, मुझे कॉल करके कहा कि हाँ बहुत अच्छा था तुम्हारा परफॉर्मेंस। तो
Oh.
वो था मेरे लिए एक्साइटेड
Hmm.
सबसे ज्यादा वाला दिन।
So that moment was exulting for you. Okay.
यस।
Hmm. Azra, now it's your turn. Uh, till now, any memorable moment in your life that made you exult?
वैसे तो बहुत सारी मेमोरीज है। और
Wow.
एक
She is very
एक्सपीरियंस
lucky.
रहा।
She has lots and lots of happy moments.
वैसे एक्सपीरियंस में कुछ ऐसा याद नहीं आ रहा है।
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, leave it. Listen to me now. Here you all are only three. Now, at first, I would like to call Azra. I will call Azra at first today. So, Azra, here are total 10 words: clinch, maiden, exalt, deadlock, era, pilgrim, collision, jittery. Okay? 3, 3, J3. Salvage. Okay, salvage is also here. So, you have to pick only five vocabulary from this all, and you have to make a story. And I'm going to take you 5 minutes for it. Are you ready for it?
डिफिकल्ट है थोड़ा।
Yes, it is a bit difficult, but very interesting. Okay. Um, let's do one thing. We all are going to think about it at the same time. We all are means I am also. I am and Shweta, Ishak, and Azra. We all are going to take 5 minutes. Now it's 8:47. Okay, it's 8:47 and 47. 8:55. At 8:55, am I right now? 8:55. At 8:55 means till 8:55 we have time to create any story, to make a story. We all have. I will also participate into it. And
खुद से
after
क्रिएट
that,
करनी है या अपनी रियल लाइफ की मतलब बतानी है जो आप पे बीती है?
no pressure. There is no pressure. You may means the story can be imagination, full of imagination.
मतलब इमेजिन करके बतानी है, खुद से
Yes, yes,
क्रिएट करके।
whatever you want. If you want to make any fantasy, any kind of imagination, you are imagining a situation, just make a story and tell us. Like we are the listener and you are a storyteller. Okay, just tell the story, kind of.
ओके ओके ओके।
Okay, so we all are going to take some time, and our timeline is 8:48 to 8:55. Ready? All are ready?
यस।
I know it's
यस।
difficult. It's also difficult for me. So I am also going to participate in it so that आप लोगों के साथ कोई भेदभाव ना हो कि सिर्फ हमें ही कराया जा रहा है, तो मुझे भी है, मेरे लिए भी है, मैं भी सोचूंगी कैसे कुछ ऐसा। ठीक है। हो सकता है कि आपको एट द स्टार्टिंग यू फेस प्रॉब्लम्स इन इंग्लिश, सो यू कैन गो विथ हिंदी। आप हिंदी के साथ जा सकते हो, बट एटलीस्ट टेक एनी 5 vocabulary, मीन्स एटलीस्ट 5, मिनिमम 5 vocabulary ले सकते हो। अगर आप चाहते हो कि आप उससे भी ज्यादा कर सकते हो, देन प्लीज जितना आपको जो चाहिए बोलो। अगर कोई vocabulary डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है तो उसको छोड़ दो, मत लो उसे। जो इजी लग रहा है vocabulary वो ले लो और उससे कोई कहानी बना लो। ठीक है, समझ आ रहा है आप लोगों को?
पूरी कहानी बनानी है, एक एक वर्ड को फिर रख के। एक्सल्ट है तो उसका एक वर्ड लिख के, फिर एरा है उसका एक वर्ड लिख के, ऐसा करनी ना।
हाँ,
जैसे कि
सपोज
पूरा एक कहानी बनाना है।
काइंड ऑफ ए स्टोरी।
स्टोरी टाइप।
हम्म
ओके।
चलो चलो, टाइम स्टार्ट करते हैं। हमारे पास वी हैव ओनली 6 minutes नाउ। 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Why only 9? It should be 10. That's fine.
Ashia, Washim, and Sohil also here.
Really?
Yes. मैंने सोचा आपने देखा नहीं शायद, इसीलिए हम तीनों को आप बोल रही थी.
Yes, I didn't. Actually, I was totally focused on my screen where the vocabularies are. So, from how long you both are here? I just didn't know.
हाँ वही तो मैं परेशान था कि आपने बोला आप 3 लोग हो लेकिन इधर तो 6 लोग हैं।
Oh, sorry. You
लेकिन
guys
वो
are
साइलेंट पे
such
है ना,
secret guys.
हम बोल हम रहे हैं।
Wasim and Suhail, are you listening me?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
So, Suhail, it is the first day of. It is your first day, so you should introduce yourself. We would like to listen to you at first. Okay, Wasim, tell me, did you listen the explanation of the vocabularies, whatever I explained?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay,
A
okay.
theory coach round story.
What did you say?
I thinking about the story.
Oh, nice. Okay, so without wasting your time, you all please think about the story. Okay, let Sohel come and you all focus to think about the story. Now I'm increasing the time. You all have the timeline is till 9 p.m. Till 9 p.m. you all have time. Please think about it. So now your time is up. Hello. Already?
Yes.
Ishaq, Wasim, Shweta, and Azra. Are you all
Yeah,
ready?
yes. Ready.
Yes.
Yes.
Wasim?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So who is gonna to be the first?
Shweta is first.
All the time Shweta is first.
Yes.
Okay, Shweta, please start.
वसीम को चांस दो हमेशा मुझे फर्स्ट दिया जाता है
Please, Shweta, start your explanation, whatever you have made in your mind, whatever you have thought about it. It's just an imagination. You can say anything you want. There is no any foundation. You can also mention that once upon a time you were a fairy tale, you were a fairy, you had the magical stick. Anything you can mention. It's not real life, it's just your imagination. Are you going to start?
okay give me
Yes,
some
start.
Okay, please start it.
ओके तो 5 ही वर्ड को लेकर मैंने बनाया है ज्यादा नहीं लिया टुडे इज माय maiden interview
Hmm.
and after completing my questions I clinched the job. After completing my interview, I come back to my seat, and after some time, my friend uh, who was come with me to
Hmm.
give interview, she came near me and sit, and I asked her about her interview. She said she was deadlocked in a question
Hmm.
because she feel jittery,
Hmm.
but after some moment, she mulled and answered the interviewer's question.
Very nice. Is it
Yes,
end?
नहीं बन पाया.
Hmm.
Yes.
Yeah, it's totally nice. I'm very happy that you are getting what I wanted to say. That how you have to make this story, you are getting it totally. It's totally fine. Very nice. Okay. Now
Thank you.
the next would be Wasim. Now it's
Yes.
your turn, Wasim. Hmm.
Okay. Start करते हैं.
Sure.
So it's the first time when Kohli playing the match in Australian soil. Means
Hmm.
this is the maiden match in Australian soil in the Test format for Kohli. This era mainly belongs to Kohli from 2012 to 2020.
Hmm.
In this Test match, the situation for Indian side is looking like a deadlock situation, but due to the unfair and bold innings from the Kohli and the mind in which they think about mule and observe the situation, how to get the run and uh, is achieve the score in which the team will win the match. Kohli suggested the team to make coalition and make a teamwork. Due to its outstanding century and never ending and never ever uh, losing the match, is unfair and bold decision clinched the match for the Indian side in Test format first time in Australian soil.
Wonderful. Wow. It was like I am watching the Australian match live. ऐसा रियलाइज हो रहा था कि मैं लाइव बैठकर पूरा मैच देख रही हूँ. वेरी नाइस, वंडरफुल. ओके, इज इट डन नाउ?
Yes, yes, thank you.
ओके, नाउ इट्स आजरा, प्लीज.
तो 3 ही लाइन हो पाए हैं.
नो प्रॉब्लम. If you have made only one line, just say one line.
In a small kingdom, a young maiden lived during a difficult era of war.
Hmm.
The man was jittery and mull because of the coalition.
Azra, please, would you repeat it again, please, for me?
In a small kingdom, a young
Small
maiden
kingdom. Hmm.
lived during a difficult era of war.
Hmm.
The man was jittery
The man
and
was.
mull
Hmm.
because of the coalition. मतलब वो
Good.
गहरी सोच में था और इस तरह से बस इतना ही हो
Act-
पाया. मतलब बीच से पूरी कहानी कंप्लीट नहीं हो पाई, इतना ही हो पाया.
Actually, I would like to request you to please uh, speak a bit louder. A bit louder. Is it possible?
अब आ रही है आवाज?
Hmm. Yes.
फिर से बोलूं?
Yes, yes, yes. Please repeat it again. And please a bit louder.
In a small kingdom, a
Hmm.
young maiden lived during a difficult era of war.
Hmm.
The man was jittery and mull because how the coalition.
Okay.
बस इतना ही होता है.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Good.
ये
It's.
ठीक है?
Means somewhere there is some problem related to grammar, but okay, no problem. For the first class, it is totally fine. No issues. Ishak, are you ready now, Ishak?
Yes,
Yeah, please go with your expressions. Sohail is not here.
I'm start.
Yeah, please start it. You can say, shall I start?
Okay, shall I start?
Sure, please start.
Thank you. First of all, situations and for example of the cricket match, okay, and India versus Pakistan World Cup final.
Hmm.
First of all, India win the toss and elected to bowl first,
Hmm.
and the very pressure game and pressure situation and the high voltage match.
Hmm. All right.
First of all, and India first batting,
Hmm.
and India went to target Pakistan 142 runs
Hmm.
and
Okay.
20 overs.
All right.
That's and Indian top scorer Rohit Sharma
Hmm.
60 plus best batting against Pakistan.
Hmm. Okay.
And then Pakistan play against India.
Hmm.
Pakistan very pressure situation. Pakistani first 3 wicket lose and only 10 runs. Okay.
Okay. Hmm.
Then Pakistani crowd is silent. And then partnership, then big partnership and boundaries to boundaries and runs increase. And at the end of the day, situation 1/12 runs. Okay,
Yes, please go on.
1/12 runs. Pakistan won 12 runs. Indian need 1 wickets only.
Yeah, everything is fine, but where you are using these 10 vocabularies? I still didn't get any vocabulary from this chart.
हाँ मैं उधर आ रहा हूँ उधर आ रहा हूँ मैं उधर आ रहा हूँ
Okay.
मैं उधर आ रहा हूँ थोड़ी सी मेरी लंबी हो गई है थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करते करते तो आई एम कंटिन्यू
Yeah, please continue, but try to use these words. Our main motive is to pick these vocabulary from the chart and then make the story.
ओके 2 वर्ड पिक करने हैं या 3 पिक करने हैं
I already mentioned that minimum 5 vocabulary and maximum you can use all 10, but minimum 5 vocabulary.
ओके ओके ओके
Yeah.
and then between the match starting in the rain okay
Hmm.
and then deadlock India and Pakistan
Hmm.
how to win India win and Pakistan win then deadlock and उसके बाद to end of the decided कि इन दोनों को मिला दिया जाए दोनों टीमों को और दोनों टीमों को मतलब दोनों टीमों को विन करार दे दिया जाए दोनों को आपस में मिला के
Hmm.
इसको दे दिया जाए ठीक है मतलब
Hmm.
एनहांस करा दिया जाए
Okay.
ओके और 3 हो गया चौथा कौन सा था एंड देन
Did you get that?
some help
Okay, okay, no problem.
yes
No issue. You are already, your explanation was already fine. Now, Shweta, whatever you made the story, please repeat it again.
Okay.
Hmm.
Shall I start?
Yes, please.
Today is my maiden interview, and after completing my questions, um, I feel I changed the job. And after completing my interview, I come to sit. I come back to my seat
I
after
came back.
some time.
Shweta,
Okay,
it's I came back. Okay?
okay. Uh,
Because you are explaining your past
yes.
situation. Okay? You came back. I came back.
After completing my interview, I came back to my seat. Uh,
Hmm.
After some times, my friend who was come with me to give
Who came?
interview
Who came with me? Who came with me?
was लगाना नहीं होगा.
No, no, no. Who came with me?
Okay.
थोड़ा सा हो रहा
After some times, my friend who came with me to give interview.
Hmm.
She came near me and sit and I asked about her interview
Hmm.
experience.
Hmm.
She was deadlocked in a question because she feels jittery.
Hmm.
But after some times she mulled and answered the interviewer's question.
Very nice. Okay. Done?
Yes, that's it.
Okay. Please repeat it again.
Okay. Uh, Today is my maiden interview, and after completing my questions, uh,
Just a minute.
I feel I
Just a minute.
okay.
Today is my actually the interview has been over. Your interview has been finished already,
Yes,
and you are explaining. So your interview is now considered as past situation. So you will say that today was
today
my
was
maiden
okay.
interview. Was is
Maiden interview.
today is. You are saying today is. No, today was.
हाँ
Today
मैंने
was.
इस बात
Hmm.
okay. uh, Today was my maiden interview, and after completing my interview, uh, I feel I changed the job. Uh, when I came back to my seat, uh, then I came back to my seat. After sometimes, my friend uh, who came with me to give interview. Uh, she came near me and sit, and I asked about her interview experience.
Hmm.
Experienced, she said she was deadlocked in a question
Hmm.
because she feels jittery. But after some moment, she mulled and answered the interviewer's questions.
Okay. Good. Your all the sentence formations are correct. You have only a little bit problem related to past situation. Wherever there is a
Okay.
sentences related to past, so we have to use the second form of verb. So you are only facing this kind of problems, not more. No any problem when we
Okay.
will do our grammar class. So we will do all the things like tense and related to verb, adverb, these all things. Uh, Now, yeah, your time is over. Thank you so much. Now, Wasim, please explain your story again.
Okay, shall I start?
Yeah, sure.
Yes. So it's the India versus Australia Test match back in 2012.
Hmm.
It was the first time or maiden time for Kohli to uh, batting in Australian soil for
Hmm.
Indian side. This era is just the beginning for Kohli's era from 2012 to 2020. In
Hmm.
this match, the Australian side has a edge over the Indian side.
Hmm.
The young Indian team lacks experience, but the Australian side have experienced fast bowlers like Mitchell Johnson, Mitchell Stark, and their only winner Nathan Lyon. But Indian side looking younger as compared to Australian side. So this situation is looking like a deadlock situation for India to win this match. But
Hmm.
the fearless and bold innings of Kohli starts beginning the winning hope for Indian side to win the first ever test series in Australian soil. As the match
Hmm.
progresses from day 1, day 2, the scorecards keep moving from 100 to 100, and the coalition from the Indian test team with Kohli in every session. So after continuously batting for long time, 2 to 3 days, the Indian team now looking for a win to
Hmm.
overcome this situation. With the mule mindset of Kohli, the Indian
It's
side
not mule,
is
it's
now looking
Mal.
for a Mal.
Wasim,
Okay,
it's
okay.
Mal. Hmm.
Mal. Okay, Mal. Mal. So the Mal mindset of Kohli and the teamwork with other team members like uh, Virendra Sehwag and other then team players, test team players, start inning and the scorecards is like 200 in last day. Kohli is batting in the late 80s, 82, 83. Its end of the day is now approaching. The match is now uh, progressed to the last session. India now needs only 30-40 run to clinch the first ever test match in Australian soil. Here, Kohli hit a four and completed its century, first ever test century in Australia. And here India clinched the match as well as series inside for the first ever time. Thank you.
All right, that's fine. But Wasim, uh, did you make this all with yourself, or you have taken help from?
No, 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 no.
Really? Are you sure?
एकदम मैं वीडियो ऑन है
Okay, okay.
और यहाँ पे डायरी में कोहली का लिखे है हिंदी में उसको इंग्लिश में करने की कोशिश की है
Okay, 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 okay. No need to prove it. Okay, okay, okay. Nice.
यहाँ मेरे हाथ में डायरी है चैट
Actually,
जीपीटी से नहीं बनाया है तो मैं तो चैट जीपीटी का यूज नहीं किया है
I just thought the same that you are going so long and long to. I was just thinking that, okay, it's fine. If you are making yours by yourself, then it's fine. But yeah, I'm telling you all that you don't have to take help from ChatGPT or Google. Please don't do that. Okay, it's your task. You have to be creative here.
Yes,
हम सब भी
yes.
शो कर रहे हैं कि हमने लिखा है
मैं थोड़ा टेस्ट मैच ज्यादा देखता हूँ
Azra,
Yes.
Azra, please, you also explain again.
In a small kingdom, a young maiden lived during a difficult era of war. The man was jittery and mull because how the coalition.
Hmm.
But
Okay, please again. Please read it again. Please go with it
फिर
again.
से,
Please.
in a small kingdom, a young maiden lived during a difficult era of war. The man was jittery and mull because how the coalition.
Mm, okay. Okay, all
Mm.
right. Uh, Yesterday I had given some homework. If you all have remember.
Yes, I remember.
यस
Okay, so yeah, from Shweta side I got, but none of your side. Have you all done that?
मुझे लगा कि सबने भेज दिया आपको पर्सनली इसीलिए मैंने भी भेज दिया ग्रुप में ना भेजकर
Many basically because I'm not well.
Okay, Shak, no problem. I can understand your situation. And rest of the person like Azra, when you are going to send it. Okay, okay, okay. There is only two, no, three. There is only three audio. You have to listen the three audio carefully and write it down.
नहीं
Uh,
4 है उसमें मतलब एक ऑडियो में 2 है कन्वर्सेशन
okay, okay.
मैंने मैंने सोचा 3 ही है बट लास्ट में सुना तो एक और कन्वर्सेशन था, पर वो छोटा सा है।
Hmm. Actually, the total length is of 8 to 9 minutes, not more than that. Just 8 to 9 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, for today, your homework is you have to use these all these all 10 vocabularies, and you have to make a story and write down in your notebook and please send to me. Okay,
ओके
is it clear to all of you?
क्लियर।
सेम स्टोरी या फिर चेंज करना होगा?
It's
No, no, no,
clear.
not the same. Okay, it is up to you. It is totally up to you. You can send the same story and you can also change the story. It is totally up
अगर
to you.
चेंज,
यस
Send
यस
करना या
मैं
फिर
चेंज भेजूंगा आपको।
हाँ चेंज करके लिखेंगे।
So it would be better if you will take a screenshot of it, or shall I send it to the WhatsApp? What would be better?
व्हाट्सएप पे भेज दीजिए, सही रहेगा।
Okay, okay. Okay, I will send it to the WhatsApp. WhatsApp. Okay, Wasim. So, any doubt, any questions so far, or shall I end the meeting? Today we are also very late. It's going to be 9:30.
ये सब क्लियर हो गया और अच्छे से समझ में भी आ गया मीनिंग सारे वोकैबुलरी का।
Okay, okay. So, there is no any doubt?
नो डाउट।
Okay. If there is also one request from my side, if you are also feeling bored in the class, if you if you don't like the class, please tell me. I would like means I would try to make it more interesting. Okay, you can very friendly share with me that yeah, we are not feeling well and we are not means we are not getting excited with the way you are teaching, with the way you are explaining the vocabularies or anything. Just tell me with friendly. So I would try to make it more interesting and I would try to make it more improvement. Okay, getting my point?
यस गेटिंग।
यहाँ पे मतलब कोई बोरिंग वाली
यस
कोई मोमेंट नहीं होनी चाहिए, जस्ट लाइक आई हैव टू अटेंड द क्लास, आई हैव टू सिट साइलेंटली एंड वी हैव टू लिसन केयरफुली. नो, if something you are not getting, please let me know. If you have some advices for me you want to give me, please share with me. Okay, if you want
आप
personally.
यस
एक्टिविटी दे देते हैं ना सोचने के लिए स्टोरी बनाओ तो उसमें टाइम हो जाता है, उसमें फिर बोरिंग नहीं लगता है।
हाँ, ये बात है. It's true. Hmm. That's why our every class till now, the whole class is interesting. Oh my God. Thank you so much, Wasim. Thank you so much. Okay. So that's why our all classes are full of activity. Means if I would take the classes like I am explaining the whole hour, I am just explaining and you all are just listening, like school days or coaching classes, it would be literally very boring. So that's why the classes are full of activity, and I am telling you that it's also my first time. Okay, before that I haven't taken such classes. Means I have taught in a school for, but I am trying my best to make the innovative and very spontaneous activity for all of you to make the class more and more interesting. But wherever you find any mistake and wherever you find that nah, this class is not going well, we are facing any problem, then please let me know. Okay, I would like to take the feedback.
बाकी तो कुछ नहीं है, मैं सिर्फ दो आपको सजेस्ट करूंगा। दो चीजें
Yeah.
होनी चाहिए।
Okay.
और पहली तो होनी चाहिए, जब क्लास हम एंड करें तो आप कोई फनी सी बात हमें सुना दिया करें, हम हंस हंस के चले जाएं लास्ट में।
Okay.
तो
And
उससे क्या होता है, सारी जो थकन बोरिंग होती है ना, वो दूर हो जाती है।
okay.
तो
All right.
सेकंड मैं ये बात करूंगा, तो पता नहीं आप सब लोगों को या आप एग्री करोगे या नहीं, लेकिन मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि जो भी हमारी एक अभी तो 1 महीना नहीं हुआ, लेकिन जब भी हमें 1 मंथ हो जाए, तो जो हमारी 1 मंथ की परफॉर्मेंस है, जो भी हो जिसकी,
Hmm.
उस हिसाब से मतलब हमें पोजीशंस दी जाए 1 2 3 4 जो भी है, ठीक है, फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड। इससे क्या होगा कि मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल अगर वसीम ने फर्स्ट पोजीशन ली पहले मंथ में फॉर एग्जांपल, तो मेरे दिल में भी इच्छा
कंपटीशन
होगी ना
बढ़ेगा।
कि कंपटीशन बढ़ेगा और हम मेहनत करेंगे इस तरीके से। मेरे दिल में भी इच्छा होगी कि नेक्स्ट मंथ में मैं जो है वो टॉप पे रहूं।
हम्म।
तो इसी तरीके से फिर हम
अच्छे
मेहनत
आप
करेंगे और
लीडर
टॉप
बोर्ड बनाओ।
होते जाएंगे।
क्या श्वेता?
आप लीडर बोर्ड बनाओ, फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे कौन है, सेकंड पोजीशन पे कौन है।
हाँ ऐसे ऐसे बिल्कुल।
तो इसके
ये
लिए
आइडिया
कोई
अच्छा है।
करना पड़ेगा।
इससे क्या होगा कि
कंपटीशन होना चाहिए
कंपटीशन
पढ़ाई में।
बढ़ेगा।
हाँ, बट एटलीस्ट फर्स्ट वीक तो मैं ये ट्राई कर रही हूँ कि सब लोग जितना ज्यादा हो सके कंफर्टेबल हो जाए एक दूसरे से। ठीक है, धीरे धीरे बहुत सारी चेंजेस होगी। ऐसे ही अपने एडवाइजेस देते रहना, बिकॉज आई ऑलरेडी मेंशन दैट इट इज आल्सो फर्स्ट टाइम फॉर मी। सो और ये सारा कुछ काफी अनप्रिडिक्टेबल भी था। मतलब मेरा ऐसा कोई प्लान नहीं था रियली। चलो ठीक है।
क्योंकि देखो ये भी एक स्कूल है ना, हम डेली आते हैं, आप हमें पढ़ाते हो, तो ये भी एक किस्म का स्कूल है।
ओके।
हम सारे क्लासमेट हैं।
यस।
तो इसी तरीके से मैं चाहता हूँ कि वो कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग।
All right, Ishaq, I would think about it. Whatever you have told as an advice to me, I will think about it. So for now, shall we go to bed?
यस। आज बहुत टाइम हो गया सच में।
बहुत ज्यादा
Hmm.
टाइम हो
I came on proper time at 8 p.m., but however, it is 9:33. Because I just want ke if you all are coming in the class, so I make you to speak more and more. मैं चाहती हूँ आप लोग ज्यादा से ज्यादा बोलो, सिर्फ मैं बोलूँ that is not the solution. Okay, आपको जितना ज्यादा हो सके वो मैं बोलने दूँ, ये मैं चाहती हूँ, इसलिए थोड़ा लेट हो जाता है। ओके, मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं एक एक को पकड़कर 3-4 बार रिपीट करवाऊँ सेम लाइंस को. It would be very helpful for all of you. That's why it takes some time, also taking my time, but I just want ke I make you speak more and more. I have to say something may take times. Yes, please, Wasim. Please say, Wasim. I have to say something. Hello, Wasim. Please say. We are listening to you. May not be freely say. There is no any problem. You may say whatever you want.
मुझे थोड़ा वक्त लगता है, फिर धीरे धीरे बोलने में थोड़ा सा हिचकिचाता हूँ, मतलब कॉन्फिडेंस
Hmm.
बिल्डअप हो जाएगा तो फिर
Yes.
बोलने लग जाऊंगा।
अच्छा,
I'm
आज एक
getting.
चीज नोट की है सबने, एक अच्छी
I'm
चीज भी
getting you
हुई है।
from the very first day.
मैं
Like
थोड़ा
Wasim.
नेचर थोड़ा सा उतना घुल मिल नहीं पाता हूँ जल्दी से, बोलने में थोड़ा हिचकिचाता हूँ शायद, पर
Hmm.
वो भी डेवलप हो जाएगा टाइम से।
Yes. Okay, okay. I'm getting you from the very first day that you have this kind of problem. That's why I didn't force so much, but no issue. That's why I'm telling ke for the first week, I just want ke we can be more and more comfortable with each other. After that, we will make lots and lots of rule regulation and exam schedule. These all things. Don't worry, I will give all of you so much burdens and homeworks and practice to do. But for now, I just want कि we should be so much comfortable with each other and so much friendly. Okay, just like a family member, I can say it would be fine.
इसके लिए
Okay.
जरूरी है कि हमें मतलब आपस में ही क्लास में बातें करनी चाहिए इंग्लिश में, मतलब
Hmm.
तो तभी कॉन्फिडेंस तभी होगा ना, एक दूसरे को पहचानेंगे।
Hmm. 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 And if Wasim, you have such kind of problem, so I'm telling everybody, not only Wasim, I'm telling everybody, Azra, Shweta, Ishak, anyone. Um, वैसे मुझे ज़्यादा टाइम सच में नहीं रहता, बट किसी भी टाइम अगर आप फ्री हो रहे हो कुछ हाफ एन आवर के लिए, 10 मिनट्स के लिए, 20 मिनट्स के लिए, जस्ट मैसेज मी एंड कॉल मी, सो वी विल टॉक। लाइक हम कन्वर्सेशन कर लेंगे 10 मिनट के लिए, 5 मिनट के लिए, हम ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं। ओके, इट वुड बी वेरी नाइस। समझ
मैं
रही
भी
हो?
यही कह रही थी कि जब कन्वर्सेशन का क्लास, मतलब अब तो इस वीक नहीं होगा शायद कन्वर्सेशन की क्लास।
नो नो, इट वुड बी हैपन,
होगी।
इट वुड।
कब?
Tomorrow it would be,
सैटरडे
tomorrow
को?
will be, yeah, tomorrow will be the class of grammar and Saturday will be the class of spoken.
ओके।
Hmm.
तो उस दिन हम मतलब इंग्लिश में ही बात करें सब एक दूसरे से तो अच्छा रहेगा। मतलब वो भी तो हो गया, कन्वर्सेशन ही हो गया।
Yes, yes,
आपने कहा था
absolutely.
कि कुछ छोटा थोड़ा बहुत ग्रीटिंग वगैरह का लेकर आएंगे, तो उससे अच्छा तो ये
Hmm.
हो जाएगा कि हम खुद से बात कर ले।
Hmm. Exactly.
इंट्रोडक्शन फिर से मतलब थोड़ा बड़ा
आसिया
चढ़ाकर इंट्रोडक्शन, जैसे पूरा इस तरीके का थोड़ा सही रहता।
Hmm. Great idea. Yes, sure.
आसिया क्या मैं लिख कर सकती हूँ?
हाँ हाँ हाँ, बिल्कुल।
थैंक यू, मुझे कुछ
चलो
काम है।
ठीक है। हाँ हाँ हाँ, ठीक ठीक, मैं समझ रही हूँ।
थैंक यू।
कर लो।
गुड बाय एवरीवन।
चलो ठीक है, लीव कर लेते हैं सभी, है ना? एंड
गुड
कर
बाय,
लेते
गुड
हैं।
नाइट एवरीवन।
गुड नाइट।